Has anybody ever suggested maybe doing like a splash pad for the kids?
Liability.
Liability insurance. We tried.
Same as the playground? I can't
Well,
get
hold on. We tried to do it and we were gonna pay for it, put a pool, the whole 9 yards.
Why don't we try
And the
again?
county will not let us,
Not on their property.
not on their property. Yep.
Why can't we go
That's
and
Eric,
buy a
she-
piece of property out here that's a vacant lot for sale so that the kids could have it and so it's
Then
not
we're
on
liable.
their property?
Yeah,
We
then
own
we're
5
liable.
acres.
Yeah, that's,
Huh?
when there's water
They
involved,
couldn't have one
it's really
splash
bad.
pad on a 1 acre tract out here? I mean, it wouldn't be possible?
It's possible, but
You gotta carry a
who's
different
gonna
one.
stay there all day watching it?
Well, their parents.
Yeah, splash pads don't need, that's why they're splash pads, they don't need attendance
Yeah.
like that, they can't drown.
Like I said, we tried, but the county just wouldn't let us do it. Sarah knows, she worked with us. We tried to get a pool, a splash pad, all
I
kinds
mean,
of
I
good
wouldn't do
stuff.
a pool, but a splash pad is one thing because, I
Motion
mean,
to
they
adjourn.
can't physically be swimming under the
Well,
water.
if people have
They'd be
questions, they can do
standing on
that.
top of the ground with water coming out
Yeah.
of the ground. I think the risk of drowning significantly goes down with a splash pad compared to an actual swimming pool.
Yeah,
Question, one more question.
all right.